So unfortunately the camera crapped out on me, guys, and it's making some weird noises. So good news is I'm going to try to finish this off. Bad news, I might need a new camera. So I want to just show you guys a bit of the frost warning information about frost, what it does to vegetables that you do leave out there, and show you guys something rather interesting. So I don't know if you guys can see all these, but right there. So for some unknown reason, I am having a lot of mosquito hawks in the garden. I don't know if this is some sort of mating thing or hibernation thing, but there's a lot of them in the garden. So that's kind of cool. And now I'm going to show you guys some of the frost on the vegetables. And again, more mosquito hawks. I don't know. I can't explain it, guys. I don't know enough about them. But they're literally everywhere in the garden. So, if anybody knows why, leave a comment. I'll probably try Googling it myself. But, I don't know if you guys can actually see this, but there is a bit of marbling from the frost that we apparently had the other night. And unfortunately, two of the pumpkins are still green. So I have no idea if those will be any good. So most of everything that got left in the garden overnight. We did tarp everything, but a little too late, I guess. So basically, once you get your frost warning, basically you just gotta pull everything. Unfortunately, even if things aren't completely ripe, because you do see some green still on the pumpkin. So frost, from what I've been told, isn't gonna completely ruin them, because this isn't supposedly as severe as what I had last year, with the pumpkins rotting inside out. But as you can see, everything is pretty dead. So peppers, tomatoes are pretty much done. I pretty much pulled all the peppers, and rest of the garden. Basically, just got to do the potatoes still, and that will pretty much conclude this video. Now that I've managed to get over the camera issues. So next video, probably some more updates, probably some more plant removal. Get rid of some of the grass and weeds, and pull up the potatoes, and hopefully have somewhat of an update for you guys on the frost situation and whether or not these butternut squash and pumpkin and spaghetti squash are any good. And again, if anybody knows why I have a dying garden full of mosquito hawks, please let me know, because they're literally everywhere. I mean, they're cool, so, you know, no need to kill them. But yeah, very strange happenings in the garden right now as the season comes to an end. Anyway, I'll catch you guys later.